Two of the biggest challenges facing businesses today are the rising cost of energy and grid instability. The demand for C&I batteries is booming due to the economic benefits. But which battery is right for you? Aren't all batteries the same? Introducing the Luna 2000 215 kilowatt-hour battery, the world's first hybrid liquid-cooled and air-cooled battery, perfect for hotels and lodges, factories, warehouses, shopping malls, and more. And here in Kenya, we've installed the first unit in all of Africa with our partner Nabiko Enterprises. Let us tell you why this is the best battery for your business. You may have seen some batteries before, but they're not like this. We separate the hot and cold compartments, and we use the world's first intelligent, hybrid, liquid cooling and air cooling to keep the battery cells at the right temperature. This gives you better performance, longer lifetime, and more safety. This also helps us achieve the highest round-trip efficiency in the industry at more than 91.3%. That's 5% more efficient than the industry average. Less losses, more production, better return on your investment. And with this battery, you can use all of the energy inside, going up to 100% depth of discharge, so you get all of the energy you pay for. But excellent design is not enough. Huawei prioritizes quality and safety. Huawei has rigorous safety standards, much stricter than other vendors. And that's why this product has received the world's first Prime Safety Certificate from TÜV. This unit comes prefabricated, ready to install. And there's no isolation transformer needed, so this can be deployed in one day. It's smaller to reduce your transportation costs and also reduce the footprint. But what's even better is we've also managed to shrink the price. Lower cost per kilowatt hour, lower cost of ownership. So now you can get the best C&I battery on the market, more affordable than ever. Lower cost per kilowatt hour, lower cost of ownership. You don't have to sacrifice performance or quality or safety anymore. You and your business deserve the best. So what are you waiting for? Call us today for a demonstration and let us show you the best C&I battery on the market.